Hey guys, I'm gonna show you guys something that I really love to eat. So I eat this either for breakfast or after a workout. All it is just bread with non-fat Greek yogurt, plain, with honey drizzled on top of it. Add some chia seeds, fruits, and for a little bit of crunch, some peanuts. So I use this sunflower seed bread. It's pretty good. Got it from Aldi. So, put that slice down there. Get some of our Greek yogurt. Slab that on there. Spread that out. Super easy. Pretty fast to make too. So if you're rushing or if you're super hungry after a workout, doesn't take long to make at all. And then we gotta add some honey. The honey that you spray comes or squirt out comes out a lot easier. This one's more chunkier. There you go. And now we're gonna add some chia seeds. Sprinkle that. And now we can add strawberries. You can either slice them up, put them on top. I usually just put them on the side, and I have some blueberries. Sprinkle these on top here. And you guys can use like any fruit you want. I sometimes put grapes on it. Tastes pretty good. And then for a little added crunch, we got some peanuts. And final product looks just like that. Tasty, huh? Try it out and let me know what you guys think.